But that wasn't the only business-related ruling by the Supreme Court today. One case involved Abercrombie and Fitch and workplace discrimination. The other, posts on social media. Hampton Pearson has more.
Facebook claims 1.4 billion monthly active users worldwide. Today, it and other social media channels heard the first ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court about possible boundaries on free speech. The High Court threw out the conviction of a Pennsylvania man prosecuted for making violent threats on Facebook after his wife left him. The court ruled the legal standard used to convict him was too low for a criminal case. Chief Justice John Roberts, author of the majority opinion, wrote, "Our holding makes clear that negligence is not sufficient to support a conviction." But Roberts also said the court did not need to consider First Amendment issues in deciding the case, a setback for civil liberties groups seeking broader protection from prosecution.
The message to internet users, to Facebook posters, but it's not only that, it's people who use older forms of technology as well, is you don't have a right to threaten people. The message to the government is if you want to prosecute somebody for threats, you must do so in the appropriate way, and that is convincing the jury that they acted with a guilty state of mind.
The Supreme Court also ruled in favor of a young Muslim woman who sued retailer Abercrombie and Fitch when she was denied a job because she wore a headscarf in observance of her religion. The justices said the company failed to accommodate the job applicant's religious needs because it violated Abercrombie's dress policy. The case goes all the way back to 2008. Abercrombie says it has granted numerous religious accommodations since then. Consumer advocates, however, say now employers and job applicants will have clearer rules of the road.
What it means is that workers will be able to go into a job interview and get the protections of anti-discrimination law without having to announce all of their religious beliefs, all of their religious practices that may need to be accommodated.
With 1 month to go until the end of the current term, nearly 24 cases are still undecided. At the top of the list, the future of same-sex marriage and the Affordable Care Act. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson at the Supreme Court.